Dear all my students, to my online class, I welcome all of you with Islamic greetings. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. The topic today I am going to discuss is article. This is my second class on article. In my first class, I gave you some rules. I hope you have memorized that or you have understood those rules clearly. Today I will discuss only some examples, and through discussing these examples I will discuss some rules, and I hope you will all jot down these rules. The use of a and an. The choice between a and an is determined by the sound. Before a word beginning with vowel sound, an is used, and before the word beginning with consonant sound, a is used. This word, this first example, the first word s means donkey or gadha. As the word starts with a and its sound is also like vowel, and so we have to use here n. The next one, the next example is reindeer. Reindeer মানে বলগা হরিণ. This word begins with R and sound is also like consonant, and so we have to use here E. Example number 3, whole. The beginning letter is H and its pronunciation is also like ha, and so we have to use here A. The next example, union. Union. Union pronounced together like YU. যদি এটা YU একসাথে উচ্চারিত হয় তাহলে we have to use their A instead of N. ইউ এর উচ্চারণ যদি স্বরবর্ণ বা ভাওয়েল যাকে বলে এর মতো আ হতো স্বরে আ, তাহলে we could use their N, but here it is pronounced as U, and so we are to use here A. Next example, U. E-W-E, U. U means she lamb. The same pronunciation, and so we have to use here A. Unicorn, the same thing happens here, and so here we are to use A. The next example number 7. One-legged man, এক পাওয়ালা মানুষ, one-legged. All the words beginning with O, before all these words you can use an, only except the word one, wa. This word pronounced as wa, like W, and so we have to use here A. Example number 8. Tiger is a fearful animal. Tiger, you know. If a proper noun represents all the class of it, then we should use there the. Tiger একটা ভীতিকর প্রাণী, মানে যাকে দেখলে আমরা ভয় পাই এরকম একটা প্রাণী। এই টাইগার দ্বারা সমস্ত টাইগারকেই বোঝানো হয়েছে, so we have to use here the. একটা দ্বারা যদি সমস্ত প্রাণীকে বোঝায়, মানে ওই একই প্রজাতির, তবে আমাদেরকে দি ব্যবহার করতে হয়। The next one, rule number 9. Man is the only animal that uses fire. মানুষ হলো একমাত্র প্রাণী যা আগুন ব্যবহার করে। Man. Before man and women we should use cross, but in modern English sometimes, or in modern English, A is used. The next rule. So next example, Suez Canal. Suez Canal, you know, this is a canal between the Africa and Asia. This canal belongs to Missouri. This is a proper noun, and some proper nouns take the. And this is definite article, and definite article means নির্দিষ্ট article, and আমরা জানি নির্দিষ্ট article the, and so we have to use here the. Sahara, the same case happens here, that Sahara is a desert, and this Sahara, you know, is situated in Africa. This is the largest desert in the world. As this is proper noun, we have to use here the. Before any definite name, we have to use the. একটা জিনিস মনে রাখতে হবে, দ্যাট ইজ ব্যক্তির নাম আর স্থানের নাম। যেমন গোপালগঞ্জ, মাদারীপুর, ঢাকা অথবা জামাল কামাল, এদের পূর্বে সাধারণত ক্রোজ বসে, কিন্তু বাট before the name of person, sometimes we are to use a. If we see the unknown person, and then we can use their a Kamal. A Kamal means this Kamal is unknown to me, and I am reciting this Kamal to someone else, and then we can use a before the name Kamal. Vedas mani Ved. Definite article, it will take definite article. Wisdom is the gift of heaven. জ্ঞান হলো স্বর্গের দান বা অলৌকিক দান। Wisdom, this is an abstract noun, and abstract noun takes no article. Or before abstract noun, we should use cross, and so here we have to use cross. This is cross article. Abstract noun, uncountable noun, these take no article, or before these nouns we have to use cross, or we have to omit article. The student goes to school. Generally, a student goes to school for a study, and before school, college, mosque, madrasa, hospital, prison, church, temple, we should use cross. If this place is used for primary purpose, for your more information, I am telling you that school, college, মসজিদ, মাদ্রাসা, হসপিটাল মানে হাসপাতাল, তারপর মন্দির, গির্জা, এগুলো প্রাথমিক উদ্দেশ্যে যদি ব্যবহার করা হয়, then we have to use their cross. But অন্য কোনো উদ্দেশ্যে যদি ব্যবহার করা হয়, then we have to use their the. That means for any other purpose, if you use this, if you go to these places, then you have to use their the. Such as I am going to mosque, I am going to the mosque to meet my friend. I am going to mosque not for praying, just for meeting my brother. There I have to use then the before the mosque. Similarly, I am going to see my brother to the prison, not for being imprisoned in the jail. And so before this prison, you have to use the. Next one, dinner is ready. Dinner is one kind of meals, and before the meals we have to use cross. But if you use any adjective before the dinner, you can use their article. যেমন this is an excellent dinner, etc. Mount Everest. Mount Everest is a proper noun, though this Mount Everest is proper noun, but we cannot use here article. We have to use here cross, because before the name of a particular mountain we cannot use article, but before the mountain ranges we can use the, such as the Himalayas, the Alps, etc. I know that some other rules I have not shown here. I hope you will learn them by yourself, and today I am not discussing more. I am going to end my class here, and if you have any problem with my lecture, you can take solution from me by any means. Allah Hafiz.